Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining this video in which I'm going to explain to you how Lightning Web Components compilation works under the hood. My name is Alba Rivas, I am a developer advocate at Salesforce, and here you have my contact details in case that you want to ask me anything later. When you deploy or push a Lightning Web Component to your organization, you are going to find, if you inspect the code that is finally loaded for the component, that there are some lines of code that get added additionally on top of the code that we have written for our Lightning Web Component. That is because Lightning Web Components compiler is acting over your code. So let's take a look at how the Lightning Web Components compilation process works. When you push your code to an organization, the first thing that is going to happen is that a linter is going to statically analyze your code to make sure that you are following the JavaScript base practices that are part of our base configuration for LWC. The second step is going to be parsing. We use a parser, Babel, that is going to make sure that the syntax features that you are using belong to the JavaScript language, right? The parser is something that we try to keep up to date. We upgrade it very often, and that way you can use the latest syntax features that are added to the language. From that point, we generate two different outputs. An output which is intended to work in modern browsers and an output which is intended to work in old browsers, those browsers that don't support ES6 features. So for those two outputs, we're going to do a transformation. We want to transform some ES6 plus features so that they are backwards compatible in all the cases. And that is something that we are going to do in both cases. The difference is that for the modern browsers version, we are going to transform those syntax features back to ES6, and for the compatibility version, we are going to transform those features down to ES5. So now you may be asking yourself what happens if I want to use an ES syntax feature that we are not transpiling down to ES6 or ES5, right? In that case, the syntax feature will be supported as long as your browser supports it. This means if you are using a modern browser, it's highly probable that you will be able to use the feature. So finally, there is a last step I want to talk about, which is bundling. The Lightning Web Components compiler is going to take your HTML file and your CSS file, and it's going to generate some JavaScript code that when you render your component is able to generate that HTML and CSS dynamically. And those are most of the extra lines that you are going to find in the JavaScript file when you inspect a component with Chrome Developer Tools. So finally, after this step, both the ECMAScript 6 output and the ECMAScript 5 output are going to be generated. Something important to know is that when you are in production mode, the JavaScript files are going to be minified for a better performance. That is not going to happen in debug mode so that you can debug and add breakpoints in an easier way. So after this, what happens on runtime? Very easy. So first of all, when we run your Lightning Web Components application, we are going to use the user agent to detect in which kind of browser your application is running. If we are running in a modern browser, then we are going to load the ECMAScript 6 version of your code, and that's it. And if we are running in an older browser, we are going to load the ECMAScript 5 version of your code, and we are going to also load some polyfills. The polyfills for ECMAScript 6 features that may not be available or implemented in those old browsers. So again, a similar question. What happens if you want to use an API that belongs to an ECMAScript version higher than ES6, something that we are not polyfilling? Let's say that I want to use an API, for instance, promise.any or a string replace all, that we are not polyfilling. And the answer to this question is exactly the same one as before. As long as your browser supports it, you will be safe to use it. Everything that I explained applies to Lightning Web Components on the platform. When you want to use Lightning Web Components outside of the platform, the process is a bit different because, first of all, linting is not going to happen. Polyfills are not going to be loaded. We are not going to generate the ECMAScript 5 version, the compatibility version for you. And finally, local service is not going to act when using Lightning Web Components outside of the platform. That means that there may be some APIs that are restricted on the platform, but that may work when we use Lightning Web Components OSS. Finally, I want to remind you the different channels in which you can connect with us. Remember our developer site, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn. If you like the video, please give me a like and subscribe to the channel and click on the bell to receive notifications. Thank you so much and hope to see you in the next video.